So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio VSB200 soundbar not working, power input and reset. So fix one is power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, then press and hold the power button on the soundbar for 30 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the outlet, then turn on the soundbar. Second fix is factory reset. Turn on the soundbar, then press and hold the volume down and input button at the same time. Hold for 5 seconds until the LED lights flash. Test the audio again. Third fix is audio and cable check. Press the input button on your remote until the soundbar light matches the connected cable. Open the TV's audio menu and turn off the internal speaker. Set the digital audio output format to PCM. Disconnect and firmly reset both ends of the audio cable, optical or RCA. Fourth fix is remote control fix. Remove the batteries from the remote, then press each button on your remote twice to unstick them. Then insert fresh batteries, ensuring they are facing the correct direction. Thanks for watching.